Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I'm getting into my planner and Tiny Arm says hello for 2020, and we're going to plan out the week of January 6th through the 12th in my Hobonichi cousin Avec, the A5, and I'm using a sticker kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs with Frank. I was obsessed when I saw Frank. He's like a little Yeti. So come along with me. So you know how many kits I've bought from Shine Sticker Studio. I had not tried a kit, buying one from Sweet Kawaii Designs. I've tried the Michaels ones, but she had a $2 Tuesday and there was a bunch of the Frank stuff. And so I was like, yes, I'm going to pull the trigger on that. And I used these Stalogy date dots. Jamie sent them to me a long time ago when I said I was going to maybe use them for my YouTube tracking. And they work great. I think I'm going to order some more colors possibly, but these big old meat hooks are going to have to find some tweezers because they don't work with my fingers. Oh, that's Addie's journaling. She was playing at her desk while I was working at mine. So she wanted to show you her unicorn. And then that is my yearly habit tracker. And then I am flipping to the current week, which is the week of New Year's. This was a pocket kit from Shine Sticker Studio. So if you're wondering if pocket kits work, they absolutely do. You do have to trim it a little bit, like trim the date, the day of the week covers. And I trimmed some of the other boxes and stuff, but no, they work awesome, and I had a lot of fun with it. That pink bow came on a sticker that I got from Shine Sticker Studio in the Black Friday order. It had a little bottle of champagne on it and stuff, and I just clipped that off, and I used the bow, so that didn't come with the kit. So for the Frank stuff, I ordered a hodgepodge of stuff, but I did order these Hobonichi weeks date covers because there wasn't other ones that I saw, and I thought these would work perfectly if I just trimmed them, and they did. They worked just fine. They don't cover the whole box, but I'm okay with that. And I thought that was cool that there was a bunch of them because it's kind of a color scheme that would go with a lot of different kits. So if I run out of, date covers or whatever, or I want to use this kit in another week, then I'll totally be able to. And then catch a load of these numbers. Oh my God, they're microscopic. So I was using the tip of my scissors to place them down. What? I'm an animal. Like, I have squatch hands. I cannot do anything delicate with these things. I did pick out some coordinating washi tape. You got, oh Lord. If you're new here, hello. I put a lot of washi on everything. But my initial thought was I wanted to put some washi here because I wasn't going to do like to-do lists like I had in the last week because I was going to save those for my dailies. I end up putting some of the lists in there just because I wanted to use the stickers. So this is just kind of a way to frame it out so I can take up more room because usually I just put like timed plans in my weekly spread just so I can get a really good overview of what's happening during the week. I cannot plan without a weekly spread. Like I just need to be able to see it all at one time and then go in, like with more detail on the dailies. I'm loving the cousin for that. It might be planner piece for me. I really love having the monthly, the weekly vertical, and then a big old daily page. It's been good, you guys. I don't know. And then this is the bottom washi for the Hobonichi Weeks kit. And obviously not long enough to drag all the way across, but I just alternated the purple and teal colors. I know I did not pick, now that I'm looking at it on camera, that washi does not match at all. In person, it matches a little bit better because there's a little bit of that like limey, yellowy green in some of the stickers. And then I did add a row of like lighter blue washi to kind of tie in with the Hobonichi date or the week date covers, because those were a little bit more blue than they were blue-green. Oh, I'm sounding a little obsessive even to myself. So I am just throwing in those to kind of take up some more room. And I apologize in advance for the top of the planner being out of the frame, because that was my bad and it's really annoying. I wish you could see up there, but I think you can see most of the other stuff. And then there's Frank in all his glory. I put him on the sidebar and then used one of the day of the week things and put a little label for dinners. And then I think I put a little tree. This, as you can see, is more of, I don't know if that was for the Hobonichi Weeks kit or with another kit. I think it went with the Weeks kit. But then I also bought another sheet of, they look like little Post-it notes kind of, and then little tiny quarter boxes. I thought those would be perfect, and they are. I love the size of those. If she has another $2 Tuesday with those in it, I might buy more of those, because the colors are really versatile and they fit in my the weekly vertical columns really well. So I really like those. So I'm just putting in deco, and then I decided to alternate some of those little checklist things. I don't know if I'll put to-dos or if I'll put like a main goal for the day, or I don't know. The truth be told, I don't really mind putting to-dos and then recopying them in my daily. You guys just know I like to write stuff in planners. Like, that's just me. It's weird. Yeah, it's a waste of time, but it just makes my heart happy. So be it. I put a little spread of washi. I put the little, like, Frank kind of at the 9 o'clock spot, because I'm planning on having coffee with my parents a lot this week. So I sort of blocked out that period of time, after I take my kids to school, because we've been very much lacking in the coffee mornings when my kids have been home off for break. We don't make it over there that often. And then I put a little quarter box on there to write coffee time. I end up moving that around, but that piece is extra from the bottom washi, and I decided to put it over Monday and Tuesday because I have to work both of those days. So I thought I'd kind of put a big box over both of the days. And there you can see my indecision. And I decided to take up the little Frank that I had, because there was a Frank right next to him, and it was too much Frank right there. I know, surprises me too, but I just put the little label, and then I'm gonna write like 9 a.m. coffee on it. And there is some little decorative, little teeny Franks with different expressions, and then little trees that I thought were so cute. Okay, these are the little Post-it note looking stickers. I wonder if they have a name. I love them. They're really handy. Well, I'll just drop the package. These are a different sticker material than I am used to, for sure. But it's good. It's they're slicker. I don't know. It's weird, but I like them. Okay. This is, $2 Tuesday Hobo Weeks full boxes is what those little sticky note looking ones are called. And then the other ones are Hobo Weeks half boxes, not quarter boxes. So those are the ones that I got for the $2 Tuesday. And they fit really, really well in the Hobonichi Cousin. So I actually might stock up on a few more of those, because I always use a lot of boxes. And then I stuck a little Frank, and then I bought the $2 Tuesday full boxes of the trees and just more Frank designs, because I wanted big Franks. And so I put that in there. And then this box, to write early out really big. Why do we have to have an early out when we were just out for 2.5 weeks? I don't know. And then there was some freebie stickers that I got sent with my order, and so I worked in some of those. That cute little one with the sunglasses. I put on that big box on Saturday. And then I used another little piece of the leftover bottom washi to mark like a strip of time, and then used a family time sticker that was included that I thought was super cute. A little post-it, and then another one was a little like kawaii wash bucket thing, and I put that for cleaning on Sunday. And then I wanted to tell you guys I bought these at Walmart, the Sharpie Ultra Fine Point Permanent Markers, and they're in the cosmic colors. They match this perfectly. And that is the kind of pens that you need to use on these Sweet Kawaii design stickers because they're like slick, so you have to use a permanent marker. Gel will just like slide all over the place. So I'm just writing in our plans, and I don't know what I did with this early out lettering. It's just funky. I'm just going with it. But I love these Sharpie colors. But word to the wise, I did on Tuesday, you can see the little picture of Frank, and then below it I wrote Michael off, and I didn't put a sticker under it, and it will bleed through the Tomoe River paper. And I know you guys are like, duh, like how stupid are you to not know that was going to happen? It does bleed through, but if you write on the stickers, it does not bleed through at all. It's perfect on the stickers, and they do not smear at all. So I love that little, the Frank on Friday, he's like excited. That's so cute. And then I wrote down that a friend is coming to visit. I had to change that plan because the days got changed, but I came back and added a little bit to it. Because some more things popped up. But I love the way that it turned out, and I think it's so cute. These colors I am in love with, and that's how much I have left. So totally enough for another week. And I'm going to use some of them when I set up my dailies, which I'm going to do in another video that I will probably post tomorrow, because if I combine them, it'll just be really long. So come back tomorrow and let's set up dailies. Thanks, guys. Bye.